Footwear is the first line of defense against the wear and tear of an active lifelong lifestyle. A shoe is an item of footwear intended to protect and comfort the human foot. Hundreds of the world's famous sports persons choose and prefer Lotto as their sporty lifestyle brands. Globally, because of its technology. By this time, Bangladeshi young crowd prefers Lotto as their lifestyle brand. Let's see how we make a good and perfect pair of shoes in our factory. Every shoe is not a perfect one. A pair of perfect shoes can really help you take care of your health, make you sporty and keep you fit. Lotto itself is enriched with many features, as well as health benefits. Thanks, man. Quality is our prime concern. We ensure quality and take care in every part of the production of a shoe. After crossing over 50 major levels of production procedure, finally, a pair of perfect Lotto shoe is available for our customer. Wear Lotto, stay fit, healthy and sporty.